In this video, you'll learn how to build your own dashboard in ADONIS using configurable widgets. To get started, open the Dashboards page. This page shows all dashboards you can access. Let's create a new one. Enter a meaningful name and click Create. Now add your first widget. We'll begin with a table widget, perfect for showing detailed lists. Drag it onto the dashboard and click Configure to open the settings. Provide a title and select a saved search that provides the data you want to display. Perfect. Your dashboard now has its first widget. Let's resize it and make it wider. Let's fast forward to a more complete dashboard. Let's add one more widget, a number widget, great for highlighting key figures. Just like before, configure it by selecting a saved search. Optionally, choose a color for the number to make it stand out. When everything looks good, save your dashboard. And that's it. With configurable dashboards in ADONIS, you can build a personalized workspace that highlights exactly the information you need. Have a look at the ADONIS online help for more information.